Located a mere 90 minutes away from the country's capital of Seoul, this self-proclaimed micronation truly is its own fantasy island. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are going to visit the Naminara Republic in Korea, where the principal export is imagination. My ceremonial coca bag.
Yeah.
Salute.
Salute.
He said basically get on in French.
Magma. It's time for the 5-minute ferry ride on the northern Han River. Look at that! Naminara has its own flag. The more luxurious way to get to Naminara is via zip line. Cute. Immediately, fun and frivolity at the entrance to Naminara. Everybody is made to feel welcome on Nami Island. Art and culture can also be seen on the island. Let's take a look at one of the exhibitions. Well, isn't it appropriate to have these clay figurines on Nami? Lots of joy and jubilance within these characters. And no shortage of ships and giggles within these creations. I think this is a peahen and not a peacock. Well, isn't this an addictive attraction?
잠깐만, 시작! 우와!
I'm sure the employees of those shops love having this instrument set off every minute or two. I think I'm at the zenith of my zen. Truly, I didn't know what to expect when approaching Nami Island, but I guess the trick is just, well, kinda be. Well, doesn't this slogan just succinctly encapsulate the spirit of Naminara Republic? Whatever, wherever. What a fun afternoon, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Local people, natural sounds, not a lot of money. From Nami Island, about 90 minutes northeast of Seoul, Korea. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.